pick a lane, pick a lane.
It might have some value if the Cardinals ever become good again. Alright, so my route.
You went 364 east, but watch the sky
I see
behind.
it.
And then just stay here.
Double vision tonight.
If you do, you need to let me know so I can drive. I get worried when you talk about having double vision.
Well,
you're out there driving.
Well, I haven't had it in a while.
From there, I just take 70 to 270 or 141 because I know, it goes straight that way and straight that way.
No, that's actually not a bad idea.
Because I don't see well at night. I mean, with my car, my car's better than any car I've ever had for night driving, but almost heard a complete repeat of Carol's issues. I don't even know what to say to her.
Well, Harold and I talked about how strange development patterns were in counties around central cities. How 20 years ago, Jefferson County had more people than St. Charles County, and suddenly something happened in St. Charles County, and now it's in place.
Mm-hmm.
And I explained how Johnson and Wyandotte counties are, pretty much the border bisects due west of downtown KCMO, more or less. I mean, pretty close. And that I just didn't see any huge natural advantage to Johnson County, but that for whatever reason it's got by far most of the development. And he even brought up Nebraska Furniture Mart, and I said, well, actually that's in the other county, but they got that really late in the scheme of things. And so,
well, their son lives in Liberty.
Oh, he mentioned that. Well, he didn't mention that, but he mentioned how Liberty had grown over the years. And
yeah, I used to live in Liberty.
And
Jennifer graduated from Liberty.
And here, I mean, Jefferson County is kind of like Wyandotte County. I mean,
yeah.
St. Louis County is Johnson County. And St. Louis County has got Clayton, everything. I still don't know what St. Charles County is, other than that one arena.
Yeah, but no, St. Charles, St. Charles County goes